till 5 minutes ago.
Yeah, well, they were slacking. Oh, it's a big line. Not too bad of a line, but a big line. Wow. Now we're waiting. Wow, they're open. All right, they're open. We're number 3. We're here at 7 o'clock. So we took our order. We used the code. Alright? We ordered the iced tea and a guava juice. Apple souffle with ice cream and whipped cream. So, whatever. We're here. The last time we were here, July 2019. It's a little place, Aloha Kitchen. We took our order right away with a QR code. We need a QR code to get into this state, get out of the state, and to order food. All right.
What if you don't have a smartphone? What do you do?
Then you have to have a dumb phone.
A what?
A dumb phone. Pretty good, sir. There's that. And that there. Alright, so that's the apple souffle, right? Apple souffle? What do you think of that? So what does it taste like?
Very good.
See what HI money. This is old money.